right, guys, we are going to create an artwork based on the information from what you learned about William T. Williams' artwork. Couple things in this video you're going to learn. You're going to learn how to construct your drawing using the tools available, add color pencil at level 4 craftsmanship, and fix mistakes and improve craftsmanship if you didn't do it the first time. So a couple of things that you'll have in front of you is your 18 by 24 paper, and this will be filled with lots of overlapping shapes. I chose to use only circles. You can use any shapes that you prefer. You can use a ruler, could be one of them, as well as any of the tracers that I have available. I chose the circle tracers, and I have 7 different sizes. I have already traced the largest 4, and now I'm going to finish tracing the smaller ones to add to this, just to make sure my page is covered enough. So when you're adding shapes to trace, you want to make sure these sections aren't too big, because if you're adding color to just this is a very large space for one color. So I'm going to take my next size, this is my next size, and I'm going to trace it so I am getting rid of these large areas. And I'm going to add quite a few to make sure that I don't have spaces that are too big. And now I'm going to switch to the next one, add some more overlapping. For this one, I could use the inside or the outside of the circle. Like that. And let's see, this corner needs some smaller spaces. Use the inside. And it can go off the page. And now I'm going to use my smallest shape to add. When you trace, you want to make sure you're using the pencil very lightly, so your lighter colors like yellows and oranges don't show through the pencil. If you notice on William T. Williams' artwork, you typically do not see any pencil marks. Some of his watercolors, you do see brush marks, and that is a style also. But for right now, we're concentrating on shape and high saturation of color, making sure that all of these different areas have lots of shape changes, so I don't have to use the same of too much of one color. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the color pencils that are just on your table, and I'm going to choose my colors based on what I personally like. And also keep in mind you're trying to think of that experience, kind of like he created his artwork, his experience from when he was growing up, or something that he has memory of. For example, he gets a lot of his inspiration from the quilts that he saw the women in his community making. I love circles. I think it's a very interesting shape. It's very versatile, so I do love it. That's why I use circles. But level 4 craftsmanship, I'm going to take my color pencil, and my suggestion is to start the opposite side of your dominant hand. So I'm right-handed. I'm going to start in the upper left-hand corner, and I'm going to add color pencil at level 4. When you're adding at level 4, the first thing I'm going to do is lightly color in that area. Now the reason I'm starting the opposite of my dominant hand, or the right-handed, that is. So when I move my hand, I don't smear color. You want to keep your surface as clean as possible. So you'll notice the first layer is in one direction, and I'm using medium pressure. So when I go back over it, it'll be the opposite direction, and I'm going to use medium to heavy pressure to get rid of all those scribble marks. Also, level 4 means you can't see.
Please excuse the interruption. This is